Meaning of dirty old man.
Dirty old man.
Dirty old man.
Dirty old man.
Dirty old man. The term dirty old man is often used to describe an older man who is perceived as having inappropriate or lecherous sexual desires towards younger individuals, particularly towards women. This term carries negative connotations and suggests that the individual engages in behavior that is socially unacceptable and offensive. It is important to note that not all older men fit this stereotype, and the term should not be used to unfairly generalize or stereotype individuals based solely on their age or gender.